So let's look at the part 4. The company also makes sources. The number of faulty sources also follows a binomial distribution. The probability that the source is faulty is P. Faults on sources are independent of faults on marks. So meaning to say this is actually a binomial distribution. So right now an expression of P for the probability that in a random sample of 10 sources, exactly 2 are faulty. Let's see that. So sources are faulty or not. So just let I've used X, right? So let Y be the number of faulty sources out of the number of faulty sources 10 sources. Okay, so that's it. So this part here, once we done that, we're gonna have Y binomial distribution of 10 and it's faulty at P. Alright, and write down exactly 2 are faulty, so Py equals to 2. So this is pretty okay. This is 10 choose 2, and this is P2 occurrence 1 minus P. P10, this is 8, 10 minus 2. You could just refer to the MF26 PDF, okay? So 10 choose 2 would be 45. So this is 45 P squared 1 minus P about 8. This is the expression there.